Welcome, and from me is a Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, let's pull up for the app tray, and you'll have the contacts app. Make sure you open the standalone contacts app, not the phone. I'll show why. So if you go into phone and into contacts, you do not have the option to import contacts from here. There is no such a thing. But if you go through contacts, you have this. You can go then into manage contacts where you will have the import. So make sure you open up the standalone contacts app right here, and once more tap on the bars right here, manage contacts, and then choose import and or export contacts. So import contacts, import from, we're interested to import it from SIM card. So choose SIM1, and it brings up all the contacts that are located on that SIM card. So as you can see, there is not very many, and what you want to do is just tap on the ones that you want to import. You can select them all like so, and once you're satisfied with every contact that is selected, tap on done, import to, and you have two options, at least I do right now. The second option, the Google one, will appear only if you're logged into your Google account. If you're not, you will only have the phone. But anyway, I want to move it into the phone anyway, so that's what I'm going to select and import. And okay. And there we go, we're now finished. So 5 contacts have been imported to the phone, and that's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.